Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle, and welcome back. And today I'm going to be doing a handbag review. So I'm back to my handbags and clutches, and I still have a lot of handbags that I'm not using, so I haven't taken them out even to review, even though they're kind of like a year old or some, like really like few years old or a year old, but I haven't done the review because I keep like buying other stuff, and I'm like, oh okay, this will be interesting, so I start doing this review or the beauty review or something else, and I kind of like, keep pushing them back. So today I thought so as I'm using them, I remember that okay, let me do a review on this. So this is a wristlet I got long back actually, but I've never used it. I got it from Dillard's, and I just took the thing off here just to see the name of the wristlet. So this is the wristlet, and I just, because Dillard's, they put this thing, because I got this on when they had the extra 40% on clearance stuff. So that is when I always shop at Dillard's, only at that time when they have that extra clearance sales. They will have it like usually every like 3 months, 4 months. So that's the only time I shop for clothes and this, and I have a lot of clothes also that I've kept like to do the haul. I haven't done it. So this wristlet that I'm going to be reviewing today is the Bedford, Michael Kors Bedford wristlet, and I just took this off. This is like I'm telling sale price. So this was 69. So on this 69 I got 40% off, so that was really good deal. So it was already like lowered to 69, and I got it's actually 138, but it was lowered to 69. Wait, was it 69 or 96? Yeah, it was 69, and then I got 40% off. So for that price I could not let it go, so I got it. And this is called, and that's why I removed that thing over it, because I wanted to see the name. It's the Bedford large double zip wristlet with packet with PKT it's written. I think it's pocket probably. So with pocket, maybe this one, maybe because it has this kind of design here, it says that pocket. So this, because it has a pocket here, right? See that pocket like that. So that's the wristlet. So like I said, it's from Dillard's. There's the Dillard's like return tag here, right here, which I cannot return anyway. But so let's look at this. So let me show you. So this is the strap, the strap to hold it, and you can actually remove this if you don't want and just hold it like that as a wristlet, and it's pretty good. I'll show my phone also how it fits and everything. And this I liked because it has double zip, so that was pretty cool. And also the zips, and if you can see, it's written Michael Kors on the zips. It says Michael Kors, and here it's on this pocket here, it says Michael Kors. Here it's written Michael Kors. And the zip I was talking about was, what I like about it is it goes all the way down like that. So when you have something like that, you can actually fit in more stuff. When you have this extra space here that you can fit in and keep it. So that's why I liked it. So both of the zips are like that. So they go all the way, they open up all the way this much. So this much space is left here. So that's what I liked. And now let me show inside. So I got this from Dillard's, right? And Dillard's is usually, it's a retail store. So every time I get things from there, I'm always seeing that they are retail stuff. But this one, I'm kind of not sure. The reason, because no, actually this is because the number actually starts with a 32, so that means it is. I think I got confused because when I look inside, right, because I am thinking that usually all the Michael Kors the way the name is written inside with the design and everything, by that sometimes you can say, you know, how whether it's retail or outlet. But this one, and when they have Michael Kors, you know, at a distance the whole name, usually that kind of thing you'll find in outlets. In outlets sometimes it'll be plain, or it'll be like in a distance it'll be written Michael Kors, but it's usually like kind of big letters and stuff. So this also, when I opened up, it's written Michael Kors inside. So then I was like, this is from dealers, it should be like retail, so why is it written like that? But maybe there's a difference even in that, because it's a difference in the quality of material. Because if you see this fabric inside is very shiny and like a good fabric. So I think all that matters, just not like, you know, you cannot just say that, but the most thing that gives it out is also the code or whatever that number is, that kind of gives it out. So this one, it starts with the 32, so I'm thinking that probably is a retail bag. So this is the vanilla color. It says vanilla acorn / acorn, Bedford. So it is retailed at 138 original price. So now let me show you inside how it looks. So in this, near the pocket, the zip, that compartment near the pocket, here it is. In this pocket you can't really keep anything, it's simply there as a show. And if you open up here, you can see you have all this in the middle. There's like this card slots, and then there's space in this side and this side, so you can keep something here on both the sides, this side, and then you can put all the cards in these card slots. So that is for that. Then on the other compartment also, you will see again there is like, here there is like two, let me remove this, just the instruction card, and here actually there's like two space or two separations. So there's one here, then one here. So if you want to separate papers, you can keep something here and then keep some other stuff here. So I don't know why they've given this a little bit of a slight separation here, and this separation in this one and then this one, right in between this one, it doesn't go that deep. It's slightly just, you know, it just goes that much. It's not completely going all the way to the length, to the width of the purse. It's not. This between one I'm talking about, that's all. But then this side you can keep all the way down there. This side you can keep all the way down there. And yeah, there's no other this thing. And then there is the Michael Kors, the logo, the leather logo inside there. So I like this because you can keep lot of stuff, especially if you go for like parties and stuff, and like office parties or anything. It kind of looks like, you know, decent, and you can put a lot of stuff in it. You can put your keys, put phone. So this is my phone. This is the Samsung S5 Active, very old phone. I have to change it, but I mean, I'm ready for upgrade. I need to do it. I'm just not getting time to go do it. So put this in here, and then you have a lot of space still. So it fits in really good, and you can even keep stuff, lot of stuff here. So that's why I liked it. It's pretty cool. So that is it, guys. So Michael Kors Bedford large double zip wristlet with pocket. So pretty cute. Only thing is, like these kind of stuff, like I feel like they'll get dirty or something, but it's pretty cool. It goes well with, it matches with my signature shoulder bag that I have. It's matches with that, so I can actually use this as a wallet for that. So let me just give you a closer shot. There you go. Then the zips, and then this, and also it is written Michael Kors even on this handle here. It's written Michael Kors, or even on this hardware here. And yeah, I was trying to see if it is written here in this tiny button, but no. So on this hardware it is written, and it's pretty cute. Really functional wristlet. I don't know the size. Is the size some size written here? No, it's just written large. Yeah, it's a large one. So that's, I guess that's how the sizes go, like small, medium, large. So this is the large one. So when you hold it on your wristlet, so this is how big it is going to be. See that? So thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Take care and love you all.